Why do your company need digital marketing strategy? The simple answer, because without one, you'll miss opportunities and lose business. Formulating a digital marketing strategy will help you to make informed decisions about your foray into digital marketing arena and ensure that your efforts are focused on the elements of digital marketing that are most relevant to your business. It's a crucial first step towards understanding how the constantly evolving digital marketplace relates to you, how it affects the relationship between your business or brand and your customers and prospects. It doesn't matter what business you are in, it's a fairly safe bet that an increasing number of your target market rely on digital technology every day to research, evaluate, and purchase the products and services they consume. Without a coherent strategy of engagement and retention through digital channels, your business is at best missing a golden opportunity and at worst could be left behind, watching your competitors pull away across an ever widening digital divide. Unlike conventional forms of mass media marketing, the internet is unique in its capacity to both broaden the scope of marketing reach and narrow its focus at the same time. Using digital channels, you can transcend traditional constraints like geography, time zones to connect and much wider audience. At the same time, digital technology allows you to hone your marketing message like laser-like precision to target very specific niche segments within that wider market. Implemented effectively, it can be an incredibly powerful combination. It's often stated that the internet puts consumer in control as never before. But it's also important to remember that the internet also delivers an unprecedented suite of tools, techniques, and tactics that allow marketers to reach out and engage with those same consumers. The marketing landscape has never been more challenging, dynamic, and diverse. You need a thorough understanding of your market, how your customers are using digital technology, how your business can best utilize the same technology to build enduring and mutually rewarding relationships with them. Having a clearly defined strategy will help to keep you focused, ensure that your marketing activities are always aligned with your business goals, and crucially, ensure that you are targeting the right people. Whether or not your business is suited to digital marketing depends on very much on the nature of that business. Where is it now and where you want to go in the future? If, for example, you are a dairy farmer in rural India, have a fixed contract to supply milk to local cooperative and have little, if any, scope or ambition to diversify and grow your business year on year, then digital marketing probably isn't for you. If you are a modern farmer looking to diversify your product offering, broaden the scope of your business and start selling your quality organic produce to restaurants, hotels and malls around the country, well, then welcome to the world of digital marketing. There are really only two key questions that you need to answer when it comes to deciding whether or not your business needs a digital marketing strategy. First, is my audience online or is it going to be online? If your customers use digital technology to research and to purchase the products and services you provide, then you absolutely need to embrace digital marketing now to engage with them and retain them. If they don't, then you don't. It really is that simple. Just bear in mind that as the next generation of consumers start to become your new customers, they are likely to demand more digital interaction from your business. If you are not in a position to deliver that, they could well choose to spend their money elsewhere. Second, are my products and services or brands suited to digital marketing? This can be a tricky one, but the answer is usually yes. Typically, it doesn't matter what your product, service, or brand is, as long as you are established that there is a viable online audience for it. Then you should be promoting it online. While some products and services are obviously more suited to online purchase and fulfillment than others, you'll also find plenty of items being marketed effectively through digital channels that few people would ever dream of actually purchasing them over the internet. Consumers go online to research, evaluate, and compare their choices. Once you have decided that you do, in fact, need to pursue some form of digital marketing, the next step is actually to sit down and define your strategy. Unfortunately, there is no one-size-fits-all strategic plan here. We don't have a magic recipe to ensure your digital marketing success, and neither does anybody else. Basically, every business needs to bake its own unique strategy based on its own particular set of circumstances. While the available ingredients are the same, the resulting strategies can be radically different. Different products, different markets, different needs, and different solutions. What is ultimately boils down to is this: the best people to define your digital marketing strategy, curiously enough, are the people who best know your business.